వాయిస్ ఆఫ్ విక్టరీ న్యూస్కి స్వాగతం.
అనంతపురం జిల్లా మన కదిరి నియోజకవర్గ పరిధిలోని కదిరి 18-12 వేరుశెనగ కాయల గురించి క్లుప్తంగా వివరిస్తున్న మన కేఎస్ఎస్ డాక్టర్ నాయక్.
Agriculture University, Andhra Pradesh. This variety is released in All India Coordinated Research Project of Directorate of Groundnut Research, Junagadh, operating at Agriculture Research Station, Kadiri, Andhra Pradesh. Kadiri Lepakshi was identified in All India Kharif Groundnut Workshop by Variety Identification Committee on June 15, 2020. And this variety was notified on November 9 of 2020 by Central Variety Release Committee, New Delhi. This variety is identified for Zone 5, that is Peninsular India, comprising the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, and southern parts of Orissa and Maharashtra. This is the whole story of Kadiri Lepakshi morphology. The kernels are rose and very attractive. The plant height is 24.4 centimeters. It is a Spanish bunch maturing to 112 days. And the leaves are dark green, obovate and small. The kernels too, and the pod beak, pod constriction and reticulation are moderate, and the pod is considered as medium. The pods are very attractive. The kernels are rose in color, medium in size. The 100 kernel weight is 40 grams, and oil content is 51%, and oil is 1247 kg, and the shelling percent is 70. The potential percentage pod yield increase in ECRIP trials over 3 years from 2017 to 19 in 8 locations. Under rainfed conditions, its yield was 3,514 kg per hectare, which is 10.7% to 44% increase over its national checks. This is a very good pod bunch under high input management in coastal sandy soils. The oil recovery is 1247 kg per hectare, which is an increase of 21.2% to 44.2% over its national checks. And the percent pod yield increase in multi-location trials in AP is given in this table. And over 3 years from 2017 to 2019, over 10 rainfed locations, the percentage increase was 15.4% over Amaravati, 20% over Kadiri 9, and 27.8% over Kadiri Haritandra, and 33% over Dharani, and 49.9% over Dheeraj. This is 50.9%, almost double over the Kadiri 6. So the pod and haulm yield in drought years over TME2 JL24 Vemana and Kadiri 9 and Kadiri Haritandra are also high for this variety. And the haulm yield increase for this variety from 2014 to 2018 with compared to Dharani and Kadiri 6 and Ananta is very high. So the reaction to pest is also very good. The moderately resistant to leaf hopper, thrips, spodoptera and leaf miner, and the scores are very less when compared to the national checks. This is a photograph of a good healthy crop. And this superiority over TAG 24 also given in this picture. The reaction to major diseases. This a variety having moderately resistant to almost all the diseases ranging from ELS, LLS, rust, alternaria blight, collar rot, stem rot, and dry root rot, and PBN and PSND, and the scores are very less when compared to the national checks. This is a field view of ARS Kadiri, and this is a field view of farmers. And this Kadiri Lepakshi variety also grows well at high altitudes, particularly at Chintapalli 839 meters mean sea level. These farmers are very happy with this variety, and the scientists and staff are also very happy. The farmers are rejoicing the yield potential of this variety, and the kids are also very happy. The farmers have putting lot of bunches in their hands, and this is a media coverage about this variety in all the districts of Andhra Pradesh and neighboring Telangana state. And the salient features of this variety is notified for Peninsular India on 9th November 2020 by CVRC. High-yielding Spanish bunch resistant to severe drought, having 15 to 18 quintals and a severe drought of 2 months. Multiple resistant to all pests and diseases. High yield potential with wider spacing and responsive to higher doses of fertilizers. High oil recovery and more protein 28%. Thank you very much.
Kadiri 1812 no చెట్టుది
తింగ వచ్చేది నాలుగు నెలల 10 రోజులు కాయలు 200 కాయలు ఉన్నాయి.